The best tablets for photo and video editing are so much better than they used to be. Once the idea of photo or video editing on a tablet might have seemed like a dream, but now with the raw computing power that most mainstream tablets contain, they are basically slimmed down laptops. Plus, ever better quality of the tablet screens make them a fantastic choice for video editing. In this video, I am going to show you 6 amazing tablets that you can use for photo or video editing that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which tablet did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new tablet, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. iPad Pro powered by M1, a really excellent iPad for photo or video editing. The 2021 iPad Pro is still an excellent iPad because it is available at a much cheaper price compared to the iPad Pro M2. Apple's M1 chip might not be quite as blisteringly fast as the new M2 chip, but the 2021 iPad Pro still offers brilliant performance. The mini LED performance XDR display is ideal for viewing your creations on and has superb color accuracy. It is vibrant when showing lighter colors than it is when displaying deep and dark colors. Overall, this is a great choice for video or photo editors. The video performance is better than anything else in its class and actually better than most dedicated monitors, albeit at a small size. Buy this amazing tablet for its gorgeous graphics, fantastic performance. The only disappointment here is it comes with a single port limiting. Links are provided in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Asus ROG Flow Z13, a powerful best gaming tablet that can serve for content creation, video editing and even photo editing. Asus' groundbreaking 2-in-1 gaming tablet is a fantastic piece of engineering, creating a Microsoft Surface-like device with internals suitable for gaming with mixed results. It's chunkier than most tablets and gaming performance lags behind laptops with similar specs, but it is very expensive. The screen, which has a slow response rate for gaming, offers excellent pixel density, decent color accuracy, including Pantone validation and 85% coverage of DCI-P3 color space. The 60Hz refresh is something of a limitation when it comes to latency when using the touch interface, and the speakers could be better, but for the tablet PC that can pack a punch, this is a very interesting option. Buy this amazing gaming tablet for it makes gaming tablets a reality, fantastic built-in features and super versatile and portability. Microsoft Surface Pro 9, the best Windows tablet for photo and video editing. If you are seeking a tablet running Windows, our recommendation is the Surface Pro 9. This lovely device offers the processing power of a laptop thanks to its Intel Core i5 or i7 chip, along with a beautiful 13-inch display and up to 16 hours of battery life. The Surface Pro 9 also offers 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, runs the latest Windows 11 operating system and boasts a 10MP rear-facing autofocus camera with a 1080p HD and 4K video, plus a 5MP front-facing camera with a 1080p Full HD video. Moreover, if you team it with the type cover, you can switch between using it as a tablet and a laptop. Buy this amazing tablet for its Windows 11 operating system and can turn into a laptop and long-lasting battery life. iPad Air 10.9, the best value iPad for photo and video editing. It's super light at just 461 gram and super thin at just 6.1 mm. It has a fast Apple M1 processor and also supports 5G. There is a great 12MP ultra-wide front-facing camera with a 122-degree field of view and the same center stage tech for tracking your movements on Zoom calls. On the downside, the storage is only 64GB or 256GB and RAM is just 8GB. That's a step down from the Pro, which remains the speedier machine for photo or video editing. Buy this amazing tablet for its powerful M1 chip, thin and light design, and affordable price. Samsung Galaxy S8 Tab Ultra, the best Android tablet for photo and video editing. Bigger and thinner than the iPad Pro, the Samsung Galaxy S8 Tab Ultra is the best Android tablet you can get right now for photo and video editing. Its 14.6-inch Super AMOLED screen gives you fantastic picture quality, comes with the deep blacks, zingy colors, and a refresh rate of 120Hz and a pixel density of 240 pixels per inch. It runs the latest version of Android, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor makes it a powerful tablet which can run applications quickly and smoothly. It's incredibly thin at just 5mm to the iPad Pro's 6.4mm, yet still feels robust, and the improved S Pen provides a great experience if you like using a stylus in your editing workflow. Buy this amazing tablet for its huge screen, great picture quality, and it's super thin. iPad Pro 12.9 powered by M2, the overall best tablet for photo and video editing. The latest 12.9-inch iPad Pro powered by M2, it's hands down the best tablet for photo or video editing because it features the latest M2 processor that you will find your software runs super fast. It's basically as powerful as a MacBook. So if you wanted to also buy a Magic Keyboard to use with it, you will have a sophisticated tablet laptop hybrid for your photo or video editing. The 12.9-inch screen is quite beautiful too. A Liquid Retina XDR Mini LED LCD display offers 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness. If you want to use a stylus for precision edits, the latest iPad Pro not only supports the Apple Pencil 2 but offers a new feature called Hover, which means your stylus is now detected up to 12mm above the screen, allowing you to see a preview of your mark before you make it. Buy this amazing tablet for its powerful M2 chipset, USB-C slot, Apple Pencil hover feature is very interesting. So these are the 6 amazing tablets that you can use for photo and video editing. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.